the benchmarks are concerned. Let's talk about the broader markets. Hormuz has gone across to the big wall and is going to put spotlight on the top movers in the market this hour. Hormuz.
You know, we've been speaking about this over the last few trading sessions, that the stocks that are moving in the broader markets are moving on extremely high volumes, and today is no different. Start off first off with the Adani Group stocks, of course. They are the ones, of course, news-driven names. But take a look at the volumes here as well. Now, Adani Total Gas is the top gainer within this pack. 73 lakh shares having changed hands in the first couple of hours itself. The 20-day average is only 2 lakh shares. And the same for Adani Green Energy as well, almost 10x the 20-day average volume. And Adani Power as well, that has had over 2 crore shares that have changed hands, and that is well over 4x the 20-day average volume. So Adani Group stocks moving on high volumes as well. Now going on to the broader market movers. Now Redington, of course, is surging on the launch of the iPhone 17 in India. Apple, despite having their own stores in the country, still remains a significant client for the company. There are 34% revenues in the first quarter coming from Apple. The stock this week itself was up 20% on Tuesday as well in anticipation of this launch. And back then, we had over 11 crore shares change hands. And in today's session, in the first couple of hours itself, we've had around 3.5 crore shares change hands. The 20-day average is only 35 lakh shares. And 30% higher this month is Redington, of course, with today's move and from Tuesday's move. And this has already turned out to be the best month that the stock has had in 2025. The third one on the list today is Trigyn Technologies. There's a 20% upper circuit on the stock, the biggest single-day gains in September of last year. And of course, the volumes in today's session are the highest since January of this year. And this 20% upper circuit has come on the back of over 5 lakh shares changing hands. So take a look at the 20-day average, only 9,000 shares. Shows the kind of volume moves that you're seeing. And as a result of this 20% move, the stock has broken about all of its key moving averages, be it the 50, 100 and 200 DMA. The 200 DMA placed at 87 rupees, so it's trading above that as well. And lastly on the list is a mid-cap, is a small pharma name called FDC. The stock is around 6.5% higher, it cooled off slightly from the highs, but the third straight day of gains for the stock. The volumes already are the highest since September of last year. You had close to 40 lakh shares having changed hands, and take a look at the 20-day average, only 22,000 shares. And as a result of this move, is trading above all of the key moving averages and has also turned positive on a year-to-date basis, having gained over 25% last year as well. So broader market names continuing to move on very, very strong volumes in today's session as well.
Oh yes, some interesting names there. Thank you so much, Hormuz, for bringing us that list as always.